Hi, good morning. How are you today? All right, so this is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Anyway, as you can see, I don't have a camera here because right now because there is a problem with my camera. I am trying to fix my camera, but it doesn't work. But so don't worry. All right, so this morning, today is Thursday in our Friday in our subject. This morning is science, and we will talk about the different body parts of the cow and crab. All right. So again, our subject this morning is science, and we will talk about the different body part of the cow and crab. Okay, so let's start with our lesson. So first, let's do have a reading. Okay. Okay, everybody say cow. Cow. Okay, next we have crab. Crab. Okay, very good. Now this time we will talk about the different body parts of the cow. Okay, so you can see here we have the red arrows. So these are the body parts of the cow where we will know its name. And later on, we will discuss one by one what is the main function of these different body parts of the cow. Okay, next we have here, yes, this one. And then we have also here, and another one. Okay, so yes, this one. And then we have this one. And after that, we will name this part of the body of the cow, and then this one. And the last one is here. Okay, now let's start one by one. Let us discuss about the different body parts of the cow. Okay, so we have here, and then okay. Mm-mm. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's start with the first body parts of the cow. Okay, let us give the name here. What do you call this part of the body of the cow? Okay, that is very good. It's an eye. Okay. Okay, next part. What do you call this body part of the cow? That is horn. Everybody say horn. Very good. Okay. Next we have, what do you call this body part of the cow? We call it as, very good. It's an ear. Okay. Everybody say ear. Okay. Very good. Next, what do you call this body part of the cow? Okay. It's a nose. All right. Next, again, maybe some of you would bother why I don't have a camera because my camera is not working. But don't worry, just focus and listen to my discussion. All right. So how about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? Okay, wait a moment because the cow is The head of the cow is moving. Okay, we call this as very good. It's a mouth. Everybody say mouth. Mouth. There you go. Next, how about this one? What do you call the body part of this cow? We call it as? Yes, it's a leg. Everybody say leg. Next, how about this one? What do you call the body part of this cow? We call it as tail. Everybody say tail. There you go. And the last part of this one, the body part of this cow is fur. Everybody say fur. That's right. Now this time, let us discuss the main function of the body parts of the cow. All right, so let's start with this one. Can you identify or can you please name it? What do you call this body part of the cow? Very good. It's an eye. So what is the main function of the eye of the cow? The main function of the eye is enables the cow to see. Okay? Enables the cow to see. Very good. All right. Next. How about this one? This is what we call nose. All right, nose. And what is the main function of the nose of the cow? So the main function of the nose is enables the cow to breathe and smell. Again, the main function of the nose of the cow is enables the cow to breathe and smell. All right, next. What do you call this part of the body of the cow? We call it as mouth. Mouth. And the main function of the mouth is enables the cow to eat. The main function of the mouth of the cow is enables the cow to eat. Okay? All right, so another one. And this is what we call the leg of the cow. And the main function of the leg of the cow is enable the cow to move. The main function of the legs of the cow is to move. And another one. And we call this as a tail of the cow. And the main function of the tail of the cow is it helps to keep flies away. It helps to keep flies away. That is the main function of the tail of the cow. Next. And this is the hair of the cow, but we call it as fur. Fur. And the main function of the fur of the cow is helps to keep warm. It helps to keep warm the body of the cow. So that is the main function of the fur of the cow. Now this time, and okay, let's have another one. And this is what we call the ear of the cow. Ear. Ear. The main function of the ear of the cow is enables the cow to hear. The main function of the ear of the cow is to hear. So that is ear. All right, Let's talk about the parts of the body of the crab. Let's take one by one. Okay, one. So we have another here. And then this one. Okay. Now, let's talk about this body part of the crab. We call it as pincer. Pincer. Everybody say pincer. And this is what we call the shell of the crab. Everybody say shell. Another one. This is what we call leg of the crab. Leg. And this one is what we called mouth of the crab. Mouth. Again? Mouth. And the last one is what we called eye of the crab. Eye. Okay, so we have the pincer, we have the shell, we have the leg, mouth, and the last one is the eye. Now this time, let us discuss one by one the different body parts of the crab and what are the function of its body parts of the crab. And this is what we call eye. Everybody say eye. And what is the main function of the eye of the crab? It enables the crab to see. The main function of the eye of the crab is enables the crab to see. Eye. Next, this is what we call the mouth of the crab. Mouth. And what is the main function of the mouth of the crab? The main function of the mouth of the crab is enables the crab to eat. Mouth. And another one, this is what we call the pincer of the crab. Pincer. And what is the main function of the pincer of the crab? The main function of the pincer of the crab is helps the crab to gather food and protects itself. Again, the main function of the pincer of the crab is helps the crab to gather food and protects itself. Pincer. And these are the leg of the crab. What is the main function of the leg of the crab? The main function of the leg of the crab is enables the crab to move. Leg. And this is what we call shell of the crab. Shell. What is the main function of the shell of the crab? The main function of the shell of the crab is helps to support and protect the body. The main function of the shell of the crab is to help and support and protect the body of itself. Shell. Okay, again, let's have a review. Okay, so these are the different body parts of the cow. Okay, let's take one by one. What do you call this body part of the cow? Very good. It's an eye. Next one. What do you call these body parts of the cow? This is what we call it's a horn. Horn. And how about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? Very good. It's an ear. Ear. How about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? It's an very good. It's a nose. Nose. And how about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? Very good. It's a mouth. And how about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? That's right. It's a leg. How about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? Very good. It's a tail. Tail. And the last one, what do you call this body part of the cow? Very good. It's a fur. Fur. Okay, let's proceed to the body parts of the crab. Okay. What do you call these body parts of the crab? What do you call the body part of this crab? Very good. It's a pincer. And how about this one? What do you call this body part of the cow? That's right. It's a shell. Shell. And how about this one? What do you call this body part of the crab? Where the main function of this body part is enables the crab to move. Very good. It's a leg. Leg. And this one, what do you call this body part of the crab? where the main function of this body part is enables the crab to eat. Very good. It's a mouth. And the last one, what do you call this body part of the crab? Where the main function of this body part is enable the crab to see. That's right. It's an eye. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoy with our lesson this morning, and please stay at home. And this is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Thank you so much for having here, and see you next week. Okay, so bye-bye, sawadee kap, and thank you.